Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I want to talk to you guys real quick about something that just happened this month in June with Charles Schwab. As just about every YouTuber says, be sure to like and subscribe to this video. We definitely appreciate it. But I want to talk to you guys about Charles Schwab because they came through on their word. And that took a little while. They came through on their word and they now have fractional shares. And they call it stock slices. So last year, it seemed like Charles Schwab was trying to crush all all the internet, brokerage accounts and things like that, like going back and forth with Robinhood or some type of unspoken beef, it seemed like, or competition. And Charles Schwab said that they were going to do fractional shares ahead of Robinhood. Now, Robinhood actually has fractional shares now. Not everybody has access to it, but a lot of people are getting access pretty fast, especially what's happening with Robinhood and the glitches that happen. They started to push that stuff out fast. And with the whole pandemic, they really started pumping it up. But Charles Schwab, so I remember at the beginning of the year calling, and saying, hey, when does the fractional share piece actually start? And they didn't know at the time, so I waited. I called back another month and they said, it looks like it's going to start in June. So June is here, and now they have something called stock slices. So if you have Charles Schwab and you don't know and you haven't been paying attention to, what's been going on with them because of all the news right now, then you can now invest in fractional shares.
Okay, guys, so real quick on the Charles Schwab app, right here at the top, you can see where it says Schwab stock slices. Say it 3 times, Schwab stock slices. And here is where you can actually buy your shares fractionally. So what you would do is you would click on that and it gives you just some information because it's a new so it's just kind of guiding you as it implements and give you some information about what it is and how they work. So for example, you can select between 1 and 10 stocks, then choose an amount to invest in starting at $5 per stock. So you can also have a gift option where you can introduce a young person to the power of investing by using a custodial account for a gift. That is pretty dope, pretty awesome. I'm here for all of that. Also, here you can just kind of read through, but so you want to hit get started. Now what you're going to see here is understanding that no, you cannot invest in every single stock fractionally. This is typical with most companies when it concerns fractional shares. They don't necessarily allow you to invest in every single company fractionally, but they normally have anywhere from, like for here, for example, it says symbols. You see it says 505. That 505 basically is the amount of companies that you currently can invest in through their stock slices program. So it's 500 of them. Now the most popular ones are the ones that are definitely going to be available, but there's some, like far as you may be some stock that you found or whatever that might not be that popular, people don't really talk about or whatever, it might not be available. Now you can use this filter in between if you want to filter different sectors, but here you'll see there's the list right here. So now remember, you can select up to 10. So let's say if you're looking for something but you didn't want to scroll all the way down, up here in the right corner you hit on that and then you would type it in. So let's say if you're looking for Facebook, that symbol's FB, you see it there, you can select it, add Facebook to order, there you go. Then let's see if you're looking for Google, you can see it there and you can select that. So then let's say if you're looking for, what's another hot one? Tesla's up over $1,000 today, or was. Let's see if it's available. Oh, it's not available. Did I spell that right? Let me see. Nope, Tesla's not available. So let's see if it's something else. What else could you want? So let's say Apple. So you slip Apple, you connect with it, and there it is. All right, so there, and so now you can hit cancel. For example, at the bottom you'll see where it says selected stocks. You can hit that and there it is, those are stocks. So then you say continue, and then you'll have to select the account that you want it to go to, and that is kind of how you can gift stock. For example, if you have like your kids custodial account set up through here, you can select the account And then here you can enter your amount, which is $5 at least, and you would follow through the process. It'll review your order right here. If you want to reinvest dividends, Facebook doesn't have any, Google doesn't, but Apple does. But you could select that so that way that your dividends are automatically reinvested within the stock. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like it's fairly simple, not a whole lot to it. So it's a new program, but that definitely does make a big difference, you know, in my opinion, because now you can capture all types of people, like who has different budgets, no matter what their knowledge is of stocks and things like that, to their platform. So this is pretty cool. And so there you go. That's how you invest with the stock slices using the Charles Schwab app.
Now, something I didn't get a chance to cover is that Fidelity actually does fractional shares too, and theirs wasn't really publicized, but that's pretty awesome. They now do fractional shares. And then also with Robinhood, because I did receive a comment where somebody was trying to figure it out. And so now with Robinhood, yes, now they do fractional shares as well. It's simple by just changing the option.
All right, so here in the Robinhood app, you can go to search. This to show you how you can actually buy fractional shares. You go to search. Let's say you want to buy fractional shares of Lowe's. That's ticker symbol LOW. And you can see Lowe's is $123.93. And you want to buy $10 worth. So you say trade, you go to buy, and then here in the top right corner, at the top, you'll see it says dollars. All you do is click that, and you say buy shares, buy low shares, starting at 0.001 shares. Basically right there, you can do it by dollars, or you can do it by the actual share price. So let's say you want to just buy $5 worth, then that's what you'll get. So you hit review, it'll tell you how many shares you want to do. Right? You swipe up, and that'll be done. All right. If you want to edit, you can switch over to share amount, or you can switch here, and you can see where it says $123.94, and you can say I want to buy 0.002 shares. You can say, well, they probably won't allow you to do that, so let's change that to 0.1, which is like 10%. And you hit review, and then you can see it costs $12. You can swipe up, and there you go. So, my friends, that is how you buy fractional shares with Robinhood.
And so there, Robinhood's doing fractional shares too. So E-Trade, what's up? We waiting on you. I mean, you gonna hop on the fractional shares? I mean, you like one of the only ones out there. What y'all doing? I mean, y'all gonna give it the programs or what? Or y'all gonna be stubborn? Come on, E-Trade, give it the program. Anyways, guys, that's just a little quick update that I want to touch on, because I was just happy to see that Charles Schwab now has fractional shares. That is one of my brokerages that I use. I use 2 or 3 different ones, but that is one of them that I use. And so it was nice to see that it actually comes through. I don't do fractional investing with my Charles Schwab account, but it's nice to see that I have access to do that. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you soon, and hope this little tidbit of information has been helpful. Peace out.